Hello everyone, this is your Ashkin. Welcome to our channel, Ray. Today we are going to have a video discussion on the topic how to talk with your child. Yes, so this is a video that we're going to focus on some few simple tips and strategies that the parents can work it out at your home settings to enhance the speech development in your child, and you also learn how to interact with your child, how to develop their conversational skills, and how they can improve their talking ability. Okay, so let's move on to this video. Okay, the first point is reduce the pace. Okay, so let it be in any case, even if the child is having a difficulty with talking or speech difficulties or stuttering or any kind of normal developmental problems or developmental delay or any developmental process it can come across. Okay, it's very important when you talk to your child, you have to talk in a very unhurried manner. That means just reduce the pace when you talk to the child. You have to wait for a few seconds before you begin talking to your child. You just have to wait for the child to complete or finish their statement, wait for a few seconds, and then you pick it up. Okay, so it's always better that you be a role model for your child in talking. How they have to reduce the pace and they have to talk in a very nice pleasant way, rather than just telling them, no, oh no, try slow down, don't talk too fast, talk slowly, don't be hurry, can you try it again slowly? So instead of using those words, it is always good to have a better role model from your side. So you talk in a very relaxed pace with the child will definitely have an impact in their talking skills. Okay, the second point is related to the listening skills. Okay, so it's always very important that you listen to the child when they speak. Okay, so the time when I say listening, it means giving an undivided attention to the child. Okay, so it's like a real listening, an actual listening, I would say. So if at all you're being engaged in some other works or gadgets or something, when maybe you're looking at a phone or something and you're just listening through your ears, that's not going to give a very big impact for the child. Instead, allot some particular time and make sure that the child understands that you're actually listening to the child. Okay, so I don't mean like not dropping out every time and everywhere, or every time whenever the child talks I am just going to drop everything and I'm just going to sit and listen. Okay, that is not going to be practically possible, but I'm still saying maybe in a day you can actually spend some 15 minutes or half an hour time, like a calm quiet time where you are going to spend time with your child for just interaction and talking, where there is not going to be any gadgets being involved, no TV, no mobile phones, nothing. So it's just going to be you and your child. So just try to devote those times where you are actually listening to your child. Okay, and the third strategy is questioning. Asking questions is actually a normal part and parcel of the conversation skills. You keep on asking questions, but I don't say that you don't ask questions, but resist asking questions one after the other. So you just keep on asking them, how, what, why, where, which, when. So instead of having a back and back questions, it would be nice if you can comment on what they have said. Oh wow, so you say that this game is really nice, that's so nice of you, so that's wonderful. So instead of just telling them or asking them again and again some other question, oh, you like this toy, why did you like this toy, how did you like this toy, how did you play this? So instead of having questions back to back, it is also very nice to engage in commenting on what the child is doing or what the child has been happening around, whatever has been happening around the child. So that is also another strategies that you can actually work on with your child. Okay, and the next strategy is taking turns. So whenever you want to develop a talking skill or a conversational skill with a child, it's very important that you have a clear pattern or a clear turn taking aspect being involved in it. So just give turns or chances for everybody in the family members to have their own opinion, so they can voice out their own opinions, they can voice out their own feelings, they can say whatever they want to say. But when you have this turn taking habit, what happens, there is less number of interruptions, so the child is actually feeling free to exhibit or express whatever that he or she wants to say. Okay, so it's also very important that you have a habit of turn taking in the family. Okay, last strategy in this, which is very important, is to encourage and build confidence in your little ones. Whenever you try to encourage and build confidence in them, that is going to really enhance their ability to talk, their ability to interact, their ability to converse with different people, different situations, and all that. And how do you build that confidence? How do you encourage them? Definitely, not always give a tangible or edibles or any kind of rewards to encourage them. Even the praise, the descriptive praise that you use might actually turn out as a very big reward. But I also suggest, whenever you praise a child, just be very descriptive on what you praise. For example, I like the way you had organized things on the table. That's really great of you. Okay? And wow, that was good helping mama on the kitchen by cutting the vegetables. So what happens over here is you're actually describing what the child has been done. Okay, what he or she has done, and that is the reason why I'm praising it. So this actually gives a child a more confidence on repeating that particular action more and more. I just love the way you expressed your feelings to papa. Okay, so they understand this is for what I'm getting praised. So I would engage in this behavior or expressing this skill more and more again. Okay, so always focus on praising skills, organizing, or carefulness, or how they are handling things. So instead of just having a blunt comments like, wow, that's awesome, that's great, that's beautiful. So instead of being just very generalized, it would be nice if you're being very specific on this part. Okay, so these are the 5 strategies that I would like you to introduce at your home settings that would enhance the talking skills in your child. So thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe our channel, Ray, for more videos. Thank you.